I don't think he could get none. She won't even allow it. You okay? He be whining. Trying to do them poses. He's waiting for his target to come in with a swipe. The glowing eyes. That's his compassion to get some. Shh. Go ahead. Go. Okay, keep on doing it. Watch out, watch out. Dun, dun, dun. We gotta wait for a second. They have to have some alone time. It ain't gonna work. Okay, look like
She gets the style she loves with glasses the very same day and 2 pairs for just $78. Eyeglass World. See yourself smile, see yourself safe. Now open, ready to see you in Detroit. Back by popular demand, Friday's Endless Apps. You know the endless choice of endless apps for just $10. For the meantime, endless choice of endless apps, $10. Discover Keys quality at the top quality sales event. We're celebrating with great deals on this new Optima and Optima Hybrid, as well as the Forte sedan and hatchback. Right now, get 0% APR for up to 66 months plus $1,000 cash. Or 0 debt signing and 0 first month's payment on select models. Visit Kia.com to see how Key quality performed against the competition.
just try. You can't get none. You can't get none, so. Better bite her. Watch out, dog. Get off of me. It's okay. If you try, you could do it. No. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. I'm telling you, she gonna kill you. Alright. Ew. That scared me. Yo, what's up, dog? Don't get scared now. You're a big of a Rottweiler, you get scared of a little dog. Come on. How can you say about this tragedy? No, get to. Dog. Why your eyes keep on changing? But you can see her mouth.
I'm cleaning out my closet, and we put everything up on eBay for sale. And yesterday was the first day of business.
God. Go. Go. Whoa. Go get it, Tiger. Yeah, she's sleepy. Yeah, you gone? I told you, you can't get none. I think that's ended for this video. See, here's the tragic story. Mike, my dog, never had, relations with another dog. And he is so desperate to go so low as to breaking his back trying to get her. He's kind of desperate, really. So, that's his life story. Is he going in for another attempt? Let's find out. Nope, he's a chicken. Come on, you a desperate buffalo. Lauren, you alright? Are you okay? This is a hard time for you, I know. Aw, she's sweet. Get off my freaking leg, nah. One more attempt. No. It's not like dogs could get AIDS, or can they? You know what, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to look up into that. This is a 7-minute video. 8, maybe. Let's stop it right now. I don't want to keep on seeing what's going to happen. Rio doing good. I like the black girl. I forgot her name, but I like her. Secret between you and my viewers, she kind of cute too. And she like one of the first. I won't go into that. I'm not really like that. I don't share my business. Anyway, I'm about to lock the door. Okay, I can't lock the door. Oh. Why are you so scared? I'm scared he about to chop up something that I really do like. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. Stop peekabooing like a gerbil or a groundhog. Yep, that's what it is. Look at it. She gonna kill you. It's okay. It's okay. See, she built her that nest for some reason. I don't know. Oh yeah, ladies out there. Y'all suck. No, I'm joking. Why, oh my, oh why? Oh, she's sweet. She's sweet, y'all. She's sweet. Oh shoot, she's looking at me. I think she needs an aspirin. You need an aspirin? Get off of me. Get off of me. She gonna kill you. She gonna kill you. Alright, that ends for this video. Lazy Boy here, signing off.